In this lesson, let's take a look at how we can modify existing sections on our Shopify theme. So you can see all your available section blocks that you have here, and we want to make an edit to one of these. So we'll take a look at the image banner that appears on the homepage. And for the Dawn theme, if you click into the image banner here, you can see it has all of these settings for if you want a first image, second image, and all these other settings. But we want to be able to add a video that plays in the hero. So let's go see how we can update this theme section setting so that we can add support for video. So open up Cursor, and once again, before you open Composer, just make sure that you have running Shopify theme dev and you have your customizer open here as well as your localhost preview. And then come back to Cursor and then open Composer. And here's the prompt I prepared. So I want to update the image banner section to accept the video file that we'll use for the background. The video must be looped and muted. And this is an important point here. So browsers, in order to autoplay videos, they must be muted. So we want to make sure that this is included in our prompt. And I have some additional directions here to make sure that this option appears at the top of the settings in Shopify, the customizer. And that when I do select the video, that'll be the default that plays in the background. And I also want to be able to select a file I've already uploaded and make sure that it supports MP4. I also added this last reference here. Please reference Shopify Liquid. And we previously mentioned on docs, but you can easily do at, and then you can search for docs, and then you can select the Liquid docs that we added. And if you haven't added the docs before, you can click on Add New Doc, open up your browser and search for Shopify Liquid. You'll go to the Shopify docs here, copy this URL, and just add it as a new doc. So we'll come back to Cursor, select Shopify Liquid, and then hit Enter. So now you see it's referencing all of the Liquid docs to make sure that it's going to correctly update this image banner section. And let's see, it's almost done applying here. All right, accept all, save. Let's come back to Customizer and refresh. All right, so now it does not look like it added anything. So let's just do one more refresh just to be sure. Okay, so let's come back to Cursor. I checked the Shopify customizer for the image banner section, and I don't see the new setting for the banner video. Please go through back and do step by step to make sure that this is correctly added. And let's see what this does. All right, so accept, save all, come back. All right, so now you see we have background video, and even as an option if you want to do a YouTube video as well. Let's go ahead and select a video we've already previously uploaded. Hit save. And there you go. Now let's just refresh the page and the video automatically loads. Let's just double check. We can right click, inspect, and then click on the mobile icon in the top right. And that also correctly scales there. So you can see again how easy it is to not only create new sections, but edit existing sections to add additional functionality. And as always, like if you do have any issues, say it doesn't work on the first go, you can always continue to chat with the AI and how, you get better answers by referencing the Shopify docs. And if it doesn't get it, you can just respond back and tell it naturally what you see and what needs to be fixed, and it'll get it done for you, all without having to write a single line of code. So go try it out for yourself.